What's up, everybody? It's your boy 23 Maxwell. If you don't know, now you know. It's another interview about the new music I'm about to drop with my boy MK. It's gonna drop on SoundCloud and Audiomack. Yeah. We just gonna do some different, because we just feel like with the hip hop right now, it's just the same thing, yabo. Everyone is sounding like the other artists. Hey, we just wanna bring something different to the table, bring something exciting, yabo. With my new project, Big Baby. Big Baby is coming soon. It's gonna drop after the Triple Three projects with my boy MK. Then I'm gonna drop Big Baby. It's gonna be a 4-track project, so it's gonna only have 4 songs. And I haven't decided yet who I'm gonna feature, but I might not feature anyone. You know me. I'm just gonna do it the old-fashioned way. It's just me. Yeah. It's your boy 233 Maxwell. Those are the new music updates.
Dala skudla sami ukushintsha impilo nami ngikwazi ukuba umuntu emphakathini. No party change but I'm looking for some change. Ngehlisa iroof ngithi langa nami ngishisa. Lo December vele sonke sifuna ukwini. Shaya isipani mama ngisazobuya ekhaya. Ungawari kulo December kuzoba mnandi. Sekhanda iplani kulo December kuzoba shawa. I'm looking for better days ngishintsha isimo. Nomntwana uthujola nami kanti I'm single. Pass the body around engathi ping pong. Ufuna iklatha December, okay some nigga. My nigga just spit the case and now it's free. Scot free. Dala skudla sami ukushintsha impilo nami ngikwazi ukuba umuntu emphakathini. No party change but I'm looking for some change. Ngehlisa iroof ngithi langa nami ngishisa. Lo December vele sonke sifuna ukwini. Shaya isipani mama ngisazobuya ekhaya. Ungawari kulo December kuzoba mnandi. Sekhanda iplani kulo December kuzoba shawa. I'm on the lyric, niggas think I'm popping pills. Somebody call David, ngoba ngihamba noveli. I'm going ape shit, mawunobhana nonginigga. Awungangifili kuzokunika isikhathi uzongifila.
It's December time, kuzoba mnandi ekhaya. Sobe siphelele umndeni nabangani. Shisa inyama nayipla isibiza ingane. Siphatha uze kukhanya ilanga kusemnyama. Isama sami sifikile kuzoba mnandi.
When these niggas are just starting, I be rolling. I keep my composure, I do what I'm supposed to. O3 on my city, that's the reason that I trap. Bitches call me trap, cause they love the way I trap. I see she twerking on the left. Then I told that bitch, come give me that. She said, Roger that. Dala skudla sami ukushintsha impilo nami ngikwazi ukuba umuntu emphakathini. No party change but I'm looking for some change. Ngehlisa iroof ngithi langa nami ngishisa. Lo December vele sonke sifuna ukwini. Shaya isipani mama ngisazobuya ekhaya. Ungawari kulo December kuzoba mnandi.
Isama sami sifikile kuzoba mnandi.